Hello, guys. So the last video you guys were asked to watch, I asked you guys to try the next four questions that dealt with turning something that's in vertex form into intercept form, or to standard form. And if you guys look at this, this is what I got. If you guys have questions, don't be afraid to ask me or the teacher about what's going on. So we've talked about how to turn something that's in vertex form into standard form. There's one other form that we want to deal with, and that's called intercept form. And just to kind of give you guys a background of things, when I talk about the idea of intercept form, um, I know standard form, once again, is ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, I know that standard form, or for intercept form has this form, and we talked about this earlier with the last investigation. X minus p times x minus q is what intercept form is. So I can turn this one into this. And you guys pretty much know how to do this. If you know how to multiply, you guys can do that. But I just wanted to go over this quickly with you guys, so you guys have a mindset of what's going on. So I want to turn this into standard form. Well, looks like it's just regular multiplication. I'm just taking x minus 10 and x plus 7 and multiplying them together. X and x gets me x squared minus 10x plus 7x minus 70. So if I combine things together, it looks like I end up with x squared minus 3x minus 70 to be standard form. Okay? Well, I want to look at another example. This one's slightly different. In this case, I have a negative 3 in front of it. I'm going to approach it the same exact way. I'm going to take the x and the 6 and multiply it by x plus 1. I'll worry about the negative 3 after I find the product of this. X and x gets me x squared. X and 6 gets me plus 6x. 1 and x gets me plus 1x. 1 and 6 gets me 6. So right now, if I add my main diagonal, looks like I have x squared plus 7x plus 6 to be the product. And then I have a negative 3 in front, so I'm going to distribute the negative 3 through everything. I get negative 3x squared minus 21x minus 18. So I have y equals negative 3x squared minus 21x minus 18 to be standard form. I'm going to ask you guys to pause the video for a second, or until you guys try the other four for me, and then if you have questions about them, just don't hesitate to ask. But I want you to pause the video. Actually, what I will literally do is I'll ask you guys to pause video until you're done, okay? Because I'm about to show you guys the answers to the next four questions. Here they are. Hopefully you guys got those. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to raise your hands in the air like you are really caring about making mistakes. So just let me know. Thanks.